Hi, today we are going to do installation of a TP-Link wireless adapter, and this is from TP-Link. It is PCI Express adapter, and we are going to be installing that on our HP 290Gi MT business PC. This is quite portable PC here, and we are going to do the installation for this. And we've already opened that. Then we'll take the power off the cable of the PC. Then we'll do unboxing of the PCI adapter. Okay, we need to open that for you to see. And excuse me. Okay, we'll open that and unboxing this. These are just documentation and then the software for the installation of the PCI card. Okay, this is a change for the PCI card depending on your PC type. Now we have the antenna here for the PCI card, and this is the card. Okay, PCI comes with these two terminals, and we are going to be fixing that here. Okay, so with that, we need to open this to give us space to insert our PCI card. So wait, when we finish, we'll add this. So to do that, we quickly forward and push in the PCI card. Be careful when you are inserting it. Good, our PCI card is inserted successfully. Now we close that, and then we fix in the antenna for the PCI card. Okay, so we are fixing the antenna here. I'm fixing the PCI card here. The PCI card is fixed, and the antenna too is fixed. So I won't be closing it. Put on my power cable back, and then I'll boot my machine. Now we are left with the second phase of the installation, which is installation of the drivers for the PCI card. Okay, so now for us to check whether our PCI wireless adapter drivers are there default by Windows 10, we quickly go to computer, we go to manage. Okay, then we'll come to device manager. Now we can see that our PCI card here is not having drivers, which is labeled network controller. Now, so we'll close that and then go and do the installation of the drivers for this. So now this is our driver that I had copied on my desktop already. So we just double click on that, accept it. Okay, so it's searching for my adapter and it's done, and it's now installing the drivers for the PCI wireless card. So it will be done soon, and I'll pause that when it's done. Then we've gotten our success message telling us that our PCI driver have been installed successfully. So we'll click on OK. Then we'll go to our taskbar and check. Now you see that our PCI drivers are there, and now there's a network card here for us to connect and ready to go. It's asking for our wireless pin. Thank you very much for viewing my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos. Thank you very much.